Hello, my fellow educators. My name is Brian Smart, and today I want to talk about two important approaches for helping our students with disabilities. Those approaches are evidence-based practices, which are shortened for EBPs, and high leverage practices, which are called HLPs. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes in our classroom. Today I'll be comparing the EBPs and the HLPs. Evidence-based practices are instructional methods that have been proven effective through rigorous research. Why are they important? They provide us with strategies that are scientifically proven to work, ensuring that we give our students the best chance to succeed. The positives is they are reliable and backed by lots of research. The negatives, they may not be flexible enough to meet the unique needs of our population and inclusion. HLPs, which is high leverage practices, they are the essential teaching practices that have a high impact on student learning and success. And they are important because they are broad strategies that can be adapted to various contexts and student needs. The positives, they are flexible and can be tailored to our individual students, unlike EBPs. The negatives, unlike EBPs, they don't have as much research backing it. Examples of EBPs and HLPs. One example of the EBP is a peer-mediated instruction and intervention, and this helps students learn social skills by interacting with peers. During group activities, peers are trained to engage with students with ASD, promoting social interaction and communication. An example of HLP is explicit instruction, and this provides clear, direct teaching with lots of practice. And teachers break down skills into smaller steps and provide plenty of practice opportunities for students. Another example of EBPs and HLPs for actually low incident disabilities, including ASD, are visual supports for EBP. How it helps, they use visual aids to enhance understanding and communication. And they also use picture schedules and visual cues to help students with ASD understand routines and expectations. Examples of HLP are collaborative problem solving and how it helps teachers work together to solve instructional challenges. They regularly usually have team meetings to discuss and implement strategies for individual students with unique needs. The question is when to actually use EBPs versus HLPs. EBPs for specific skill development is usually what they use EBPs for. They when teaching specific skills like social interaction or for students with ASD, because they are usually proven to work. For HLPs, it's usually just general instruction for basically everyday teaching practices like explicit instruction, which benefits all students, not just our population. When you combine both of them, sometimes using both together is actually a better formula. Using visual supports and EBPs while practicing explicit instruction, which are HLPs, can be a very effective tool. Excuse me. My conclusion is I think that both EBPs and HLPs are vital for supporting our students with disabilities. By understanding and applying these practices, we can create an inclusive and effective learning environment for all students, all of our students. And that's it for me. So thank you for your attention, and let's continue to strive for excellence in our teaching. Thank you.